Hello crypto elites and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about Vechain, its current price and where we see Vechain in the near future. And if you're lucky, I'm going to throw a bonus coin in at the end. Guys, we have some major movements about to happen in the crypto space. We're about to see certain coins go parabolic. So if you haven't already done so, please press subscribe. And also, if you want to be more involved in what I do and get involved in more short-term trades and make some profitable trades on a daily basis, please contact the email in my description on my Crypto Elite page. Email me and I'll tell you how to get involved in that. So, starting with Vechain. Vechain, we have seen some long sideways consolidation. We have been stuck within the sideways channels for quite some time. It has been a bit of a bore talking about Vechain. We did see some major movements on like the 27th of July where we've seen like a double in price here. But things are about to change with Vechain. Vechain, we are closing the gap between our candlesticks and our 50-day moving averages. And not only that they're closing, but the 50-day moving average and the 100-day moving average, not 100-day, 200-day moving average is also getting closer and closer and closer. And when these two cross over, it's going to create a golden cross, which will send these coins parabolic, potentially up to the 100-week moving average. As you can see my cursor hanging over it now, and we're looking at a price of 0.07 cents. This chart is in US dollars. And that is pretty much nearly 4 times its current price. Sorry, but if you're looking at our major support lines and where we could see where we'll be heading to after we've gone above our 100-week moving average, we're looking between the 8 cents and 10 cent mark. And this is all could be achievable within the next few months. And this is why I've been screaming that this is a major accumulation stage for Vechain. We don't normally see long sideways consolidation without the charts exploding to the upside. When we see sideways movements like this, if we go back, yeah, this was a long period of sideways movement, but the charts never really go down after long consolidation periods. Where can you see anywhere in here where there's been long consolidation periods? And we have been consolidating since the 11th of May. And if you're looking at the charts and the moving averages, every time the red line is above the green line, we are in a major bullish trend. We can see big movements in the charts every time the green is above the red. Every time the 50-day moving average, which is a red one, is above the 200-day moving average, which is a green, we are going in a bullish market. We are going to go parabolic. And the reason why Vechain is one of my main altcoins in my portfolio is simply because of the big burst of price and movement that it has to the upside. And as you can see, looking at these moving averages, they are about to cross over soon. Not only they're about to cross over, as I mentioned earlier, that these charts is about to start trading above the 50-day moving average. And every time that happens, boom, big swings to the upside. Every time you see the candlesticks above the red line, big swings to the upside. And the gap, we are basically here. Not only that we are basically here about to start trading above the 50-day moving average, is that we have also just breached our long-term trend line on our Fibonacci extension. And every time we breach that line, we normally see big parabolic swings to the upside. So now's the chance to invest in Vechain. You most probably not going to get better prices like this for a very long time. So if you haven't already done so, buy yourself some Vechain. I just want to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor, but I have been doing this for a very long time, and all of the signals are pointing towards a bullish move to the upside. Having said that, let's go into our bonus coin, which is Vethor. Vethor, pretty much exactly the same as Vechain, but if you want to invest in Vethor, now's the chance as well, because we're literally just about to breach our 50-day moving average. The gap is getting closer and closer and closer, and Vethor, I would say, has more swing to the upside than Vechain. But Vechain is a long-term coin, but there is some short-term gains to make it. I will have a bag to take out for short term, but I've also got another one there sitting for the very long term. Like the long term for Vechain, I'm looking roughly around about £1 minimum in the next 2 to 3 years. V4 we should see hit the 1 penny mark. And right now, if it hits the penny mark, that's literally 10 times its current price. And the penny mark is roughly about here. And that's not even half of what it's capable of. We've seen V4 go up to about 3 pence. So again, have a bag for the short term and then have a bag for your long term. But these coins are about to go parabolic. Stay tuned to my channel. I'll keep you updated, and I'll keep you updated on these coins. But the time is coming soon. Sorry. I've got some coins that potentially could explode within the next day or so. So I'm going to be putting money into them coins. Again, if you do want to get involved, contact my email on the description on my page. And I'll give you further instructions. So thank you for watching.